Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the buzzer, which is the sound speaker in the Samsung Galaxy A8 phone. For this we need a rectangular brush with bristles about 2 centimeters long, which should be flexible and either soft or medium hard so that it doesn't scratch the phone. You will also need isopropyl alcohol 100% pure to soften the dirt and help remove it from the area where the buzzer is located. You can buy all of this on Allegro, Amazon in packaging like this. And if you don't have one and can't find or buy it anywhere, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium soft, not hard, because a hard one will scratch your phone in no time and cause a lot of damage. Of course, we start by turning off the phone completely. It must not be on. This is the basic rule for cleaning anything. Once the phone is turned off, we moisten the toothbrush with our alcohol so that it's wet, really wet. If we don't have a diffuser, we can just use a small container and simply dip the toothbrush in it. If we do, we move the phone to the side. The speaker is right here, and with a very steady and consistent motion, we move over the surface of it approximately 10 separate times in one specific direction, and then we repeat the process about 10 more times in the other direction as well. Repeat this process about 5 times in each direction, and then you'll have a completely clean buzzer, meaning the sound speaker. After completing this step, set the phone aside for about 10 minutes to let all the isopropyl alcohol evaporate from the buzzer, and then you can use your phone as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.